to find 100 times delta T by T, which is the percentage change. Now thing is, during summer clock becomes slower, or we say that it has gained time, and during winter clocks becomes faster. We can say that it loses time. So we can say that during summers clocks become slower, and during winters clocks gets faster and it loses time. There is another relation between true reading and scale reading. So the relation is that true value is equal to scale reading 1 plus alpha T2 minus T1. So there are three cases. If T1 is equal to T2, true value is equal to the scale reading. Second case, if T2 is greater than T1, so we can say that true value is greater than scale reading. In case 3, if T2 is less than T1, we can say that true value is less than the scale reading. So this analogy we can draw from using these relations. So this analogy can be made. Similar is the thing with density of a liquid. So here the relation is d2 is d1 1 plus gamma t2 minus t1. d2 comes out to be d1 1 minus gamma t2 minus t1, where d1 is density at t1, d2 is density at temperature t2. So we can say that on heating generally volume increases, density decreases. Exceptions are water, and the exception with water is on heating water from 0 to 4, its volume decreases and hence density increases. So we can say that water has minimum volume and maximum density at 4 degrees centigrade. So another point is, if we analyze the volume temperature graph of water, it's like this, density time is like this. So the explanation for this is due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Then another thing is, water molecule is attached to 4 other water molecules by intermolecular hydrogen bonding, and we change in temperature, obviously bind force increases. And the relation is that if gamma solid is gamma liquid, bind force remains same, whereas if gamma solid is greater than gamma liquid, bind force increases, whereas if it is less than, bind force decreases. Now we have level of water based problem. So level of liquid will not change with respect to container if gamma solid is equal to gamma liquid, and level of liquid will not change with respect to ground if gamma liquid is twice alpha solid or beta solid. These are the analogies, these are the some of the patterns which we can decode through this. So we have covered the entire syllabus of, let's say, 45 to 50 minutes in a video of let's say 5-minute duration. So these are just to optimize your preparation, give you a final touch before you actually prepare for the exam. So whatever you are studying, make sure you study in the form of pattern, in the form of that information which is of use to the exam. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.